Hi, and welcome to different cells for different jobs. So you've got some keywords below in the image, and you've got to determine which one of those keywords goes in which particular blank. So nearly all cells contain a membrane, something, and cytoplasm. Well, in this case, I would go for the first one being a nucleus. So nearly all cells contain a membrane, a nucleus, and a cytoplasm. You've got various questions here, and you just need to type in your correct answer. So in this case, we know it's nucleus, and then you can move on to the next question as well. If you need any particular help, then you can always go back and have a look at some of the previous tasks that you've done based on cells, and it will give you a good idea of how to continue. Good luck.